All right, good afternoon. Doing a walk around here of the 2012 Jeep Wrangler Sport that I've got set up for overlanding. This is Sunday prior to Overland Expo East, so just doing the kind of exterior walk around here. I'm going to kind of make sure that everything is kind of dialed in and bolted, torqued and everything, but just kind of show you what we got going on here. AEV front bumper, 35-inch KO2s on the AEV Salter rims. I've just got a cheap Quadratec winch. I think it's the Q9000 on the front bumper there with the IPF lights. AEV roof rack up top. That's actually a Rhino rack that basically AEV sourced as part of their product line. Does drill through the hardtop, but mounts directly to the sport bar, so very secure. Smitty built rooftop tent, obviously. Still have to take my Baja rack sticker off. That rack came off a couple weeks ago when I got the AEV rack installed. AEV rear bumper as well. I do not run the water tanks, and I actually like, especially the point right there is a good step up if I'm trying to get at something on the roof rack or as I'm putting the tent up. Have the AEV tire carrier as well. 10-gallon fuel caddy hidden behind there, with as well the high lift jack mount. Put the IPF backup light on, and I do currently have the CB antenna mounted there on the top of the tire carrier as well, but I will be moving that as obviously as once I deploy the awning, that antenna is going to get in the way, and I don't want to have to screw in, screw out the antenna every time I'm putting the awning out. So I'm going to remount that to a front fender mount here, I think actually Wednesday morning as I'm on the way to Overland Expo. And then we got the Rhino rack Foxwing awning. That's on the passenger side here. And this is gonna kind of my initial setup. Looking back on things, probably would have gotten the opposite side and had the awning on the driver's side and had the tent deploy passenger side. But again, is what it is. Reason for that is obviously when the tailgate swings out, that's kind of right in the middle of the area that Foxwing awning covers. So kind of less desirable, but again, it'll work just fine. And again, this is kind of just, obviously as with any other vehicle, it's kind of different stages of evolution and trying things out to see what works best. And then I got the AEV snorkel on there as well with the pre-filter that I put on. This pre-filter actually did not clearance when I had the Baja rack, so that was one of the reasons for changing from the Baja rack to the AEV rack made by Rhino rack. So anyhow, that is your exterior walk around. By the way, the Jeep's sitting on a 3-inch TerraFlex lift with Fox shocks, and it's got all 8 adjustable monster control arms. And this is just the Sport, but I did upgrade. I got an Eaton rear locker and a 488 gear set, and it is a manual transmission, so 6 speeds and millennial anti-theft device, all in all there. So that's your exterior walk around, and again, happy with the build so far, and looking forward to taking it down to Expo and learn some more about all things overlanding. So, all right, well, thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one.